There's so much richness here in these communities, not just the physical structures themselves, but the stories and the lives of the people who are here.
We're going to a diverse mix of communities across San Diego, showcasing all the great things that are happening from a design and architecture perspective.
We use buildings every day, but we don't always think about how they affect our lives and our opportunities. You're going to meet people, to explore and find new places.
You have this generation that's coming up that are thinking outside the box, creating spaces people can come and support and go explore.
I think that the O San Diego event will showcase the richness of Southeastern San Diego through design. We have a wealth of knowledge, and it's great for others to know. The richness and diversity of thought and people in our communities has been overlooked.